We are now live. And hello, Jane. Hello, Jennifer. Welcome, everyone. I'm Barbara Etienne with Projectkin, and it's a thrill to welcome you to our Sunday, California time anyway, Substack live session. And this week, I am delighted to welcome with me none other than Cynthia Nims, joining from Seattle, just outside of Seattle, Washington. Meanwhile, you may notice a slight difference in my background here. I'm streaming to you live from the Getty Center in the LA area, Los Angeles area, where I am currently getting a sunburn. On my way to get a sunburn here. So I'll give you a quick sneak view of the background here. The extraordinary Getty Center, as I was just telling Cynthia, if you all ever get a chance to come to the Los Angeles area, I can tell you from Northern California, it's worth a trip just to come to Getty. It's unbelievable as a museum. So, I'm better off now. I won't get sunburned. So, Cynthia, I did warn her I would do that. So, Cynthia, I am so excited for Thursday's program. I first heard about this when I read your post.
Barbara, your internet went a little unstable there. Hi, everyone. Can you? I think I'm still here. It looks like we lost Barbara. Is everybody still following the live, even without Barbara? I'm not quite sure at this point.